Here's the thing about prawn biryani. It sounds intimidating, but a rice cooker makes it as easy as assembling IKEA furniture, except way less frustrating. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to create this masterpiece. Prep is king. Start with 1 cup of basmati rice. Rinse it thoroughly like it's been rolling in mud. Pro tip, soak it in water for 30 minutes. It'll cook fluffier. That one step changes everything. Next, grab about 300 grams of prawns. These need to be deshelled and deveined. It's tedious, I know, but no one wants a rogue prawn vein ruining their food vibe. Frozen prawns? Defrost them completely first. Make a quick marinade. Mix 1/4 cup yogurt, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon chili powder, salt, and a squeeze of lime. Coat your prawns in this mix, pop them in the fridge, and let them marinate while you prep the rest. Chop up your flavor base. 1 large onion, 2 tomatoes, green chilies to taste, and a generous amount of garlic and ginger, about 1 tablespoon each, minced. These are your biryani's backup dancers. Now bust out your rice cooker and hit sauté or its equivalent. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee or vegetable oil. Fry your onions until they're browned, not burnt. There's a surprisingly thin line between the two. Throw in the garlic, ginger, and chilies. Sauté for a minute, then the tomatoes join the party. Add ½ teaspoon each of garam masala, cumin powder, and coriander powder. Stir until it smells like a spice shop. Add 1½ cups of water to the rice cooker and bring it to a simmer. Drain the rice you soaked earlier and add it to the pot. Stir, but don't overdo it. You don't want mushy biryani. Now for the prawns. Layer them gently on top of the rice. Don't mix them in, they'll cook perfectly with the steam. This is the golden rule of prawn biryani. Trust the layering system. Switch your rice cooker to the cook setting. Close the lid and let it do its thing. You can sneak a peek after 15 minutes, but generally everything's perfectly done in about 20 to 25 minutes. Here's where the magic happens. Let the biryani sit for 10 minutes in the cooker after it's done. I know it's hard to wait, but this lets the flavors marry like a happy couple at a destination wedding. Spoon it out carefully, garnish with fried onions and chopped cilantro, and maybe a wedge of lime for flair. If anyone asks how you did it, say ancient Indian secrets. Or just send them this video.